A lot of people delay their YouTube journey because they are scared of choosing the wrong niche. Now let's talk about it gently and slowly in a more understanding manner.
New to YouTube? Click on the subscribe and like button. Let's grow together with Grow with Amber.
Hi, I'm Amber and this is Grow with Amber. You do not want to miss anything for anything. You may want to listen to the end because what I'm about to say will blow your mind. You really do not want to miss all the details and all the information in this particular video, because in this video I am going to be more detailed. Like, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about niche and picking the right niche. When people say choose a niche, it can feel like pressure. You're signing a contract you must obey forever. But the truth is, your niche is not a lifetime commitment. Your niche is just your starting direction, and your direction can evolve as you grow. Let me explain this in a way that makes it simple, peaceful, and understandable. There are three parts in choosing a niche. Three important parts in choosing a niche. One, what you enjoy talking about. Two, what you understand, even if it's the tiniest of understanding of that particular topic. And number three, what people actually need help with. What solution are you bringing? What people are actually in need of? These three things are very important when choosing a niche on YouTube or even on every other social media. Your niche is where those three things meet. Now let's move over to step one. What comes naturally to you? Not what is trending, not what is popular, not what makes the most money, but where you are comfortable with. When someone asks you a question there, you can be able to defend it. Now ask yourself, what topic feels light and natural for me to discuss? If you choose a niche that exhausts you, you will burn out quickly. You will not even last. I tell you this, you will not last on social media. Choose a niche that you enjoy doing. Your niche should fit your personality. Now step two, what can you teach or share? What topic are you comfortable teaching and sharing? You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to know everything. You don't need certificates. It needs to be rooted in you. Remember, your personality. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Okay, now, for example, you don't need to be a professional video editor to teach CapCut. You only need to be someone who has practiced using it. Because CapCut, I don't think it's something you pay for and then you get all the knowledge at the same time. You need to practice on it. You need to practice. For you to even be knowledgeable on YouTube, you need to have been here for a long time, study how it works, know the left and right of YouTube, even every other editing app out there like CapCut, to explore, to discover how things work there. You can't just say because you have the app or maybe because you think you paid someone for it, and for that you already know the left and right or all corners of the app. You have to still practice what you have learned. You need to explore for a long time for you to find out, oh, okay, this is how it works, oh, this is how it doesn't. So your niche needs to be rooted in you. For you to it should absorb your personality. You only need to explain things in a way that feels natural and gentle, and most especially understandable. That's your strength. Step three, what problem are you solving? What solution are you giving to people out there? What knowledge are you giving them? What knowledge are you sharing? What problem are you solving? That is another way of choosing a niche. These are the steps to choosing a good niche on YouTube. You know, YouTube is a search engine. People come here to get answers to their questions, to get solutions to their problems. So what are you dishing out? What value are you giving out? What impact are you making? So people come to YouTube for answers, they come to YouTube for relief, they come to YouTube for problem solving, they come to YouTube for guidance, they come to YouTube for inspiration. What value are you giving? What are you sharing? So instead of thinking, what content do I want to create? Ask, what problem can I help someone solve? This is what turns your channel into a problem solving channel and bring back viewers to your channel. Okay, so let me assume that my channel, which is Grow with Amber, gets to be a problem solving channel and it's just a new channel. I just opened it. And let's say the next 3 months, let's watch out how what will happen. Let's watch out if we get monetized, or if our subscribers will get increased, if YouTube would suggest it to people out there, knowing that is a problem solving channel and people would always look for a problem solving channel. What impact do you want to give out there? Practical exercise, just bring out your paper. Let's do something. Take a piece of paper and write. Just write what comes naturally to me. Have you asked yourself that question? Second question is, what do people ask me advice about? Have you answered it? Okay. And let's get to the third question. What feels peaceful for me to talk about without struggle, without pressure? What do you think? What is that thing that you think feels peaceful when you talk about it? Like you know everything concerning it and you can accurately defend yourself when asked any question about it. What is that thing? Without burning out, I feel peaceful about discussing. What problem can I help someone solve gently and clearly without any hassle? Have you asked yourself that question too? It's becoming clearer. I know it's becoming clearer what your niche is all about. No pressure. Remember, no pressure. Why concluding on the niche to talk about, or on the niche to focus on YouTube to grow your YouTube channel, do not bother about how it grows or how refined it should be or how refined the environment and background can be. It will grow over time because the more you practice, the more clearer it will be. Remember when I used the CapCut as an example, the more you explore your niche, the more clearer it can be to you. Your voice will also get clearer in time. You don't need to get everything figured out today. Just give yourself time and grace and see yourself growing. Just post and YouTube will do the rest. Be rest assured that your journey is unfolding as it should. So don't panic. Guys, if this video did something incredible to you, if it lightened you up and also gave you some kind of serenity, I would like you to also like and comment. I'll be seeing your comments at the comment section. Also, do not forget to share and also subscribe because I know that you have learned one or two and this channel has more value to give out. I would also like to hear what video you may want me to post next. What problem are you facing and you want a solution to that? Do you want an advice or you want a step-by-step process to solving that problem? I'm here to solve it for you. I'm Amber and this is Grow with Amber. See you next time. Bye.